It's Skoda Octavia 2015. I will remove the broken mirror today. So I'll show you step by step how to do it. First of all, we have to remove inside door panel to get access to the actually all wirings plus the main bolt to hold the mirror. So basically first we have to do, obviously the mirror is snapped, so it's wobbly at the moment. So I have to be careful. So basically first thing, I have to remove the main mirror glass. So we cut on the top corner here, and you have to force up to you quite firmly, but don't worry, it's not snapped. Yeah, just like that. It's got clips inside, so it should be straightforward. Yeah. Then we got access to hold the wirings again, which hold the mirror. So now we have to remove the blue and red cables there. So basically just unclick them. It can be quite hard, but I use the W40 to actually be easier. One, just pull this out like that. So now we have access to the rest of the stuff. The next step, it will be unclip the cover, because we save this for the keep the same color. So the next step, it will be unclick the click there, and another is just over there. Yep. Press them down, and then we remove the cover for the mirror. So once we did that, we got quite easy access. So the one clip is there, another clip is there. So it's look like that. So the next step, it will be basically that was snapped. So we have to unbolt it now, hold the main body actually from the door. The next thing is, if you want to save the actually indicator, you have to do another clicks just there, and you have some screws there and up there to remove that plastic, but we just remove all the mirrors. So the next step will be basically have to remove the speaker cover. Underneath will be the bolt, so you have to basically, there's no screws there, so you have to pull this up gently and a little bit sides that way. So and up and like that, and be careful because there are another wirings to your speaker, but you can hang that down gently, and then we have access to actually the main bolt, plus is rubber there, seal, and the old wiring which we have to follow them, and just basically unclick here. So you just pull the red things toward you, yep, and just remove that. Yep. Have to press the black kind of button that'll let you remove this. So we have to unclick all the wherever is coming, and then we use a torch. I believe it's torch 30 to actually unbolt that. It's quite easy. So once we got that, you have to remember about the cable. So we unclick here, just unclick there. Now just press that seal rubber inside, and now we got the mirror outside. Alright, so the next step, it will be basically put it back, the new one, and do the all things backwards.